Hello and welcome replay viewers. I'm at the Orchid Park again, out in the outside areas. Hello Mark, welcome. Hello, thank you for joining me. Shalom, Boker Tov. Good to see you. I'm in the Orchid Park at Netanya, just enjoying a lovely time. I've had a break, my phone is recharged. We had a very late lunch and I'm just walking around the other parts of the gardens I didn't see earlier. And it's just glorious. The beauty of nature, the beauty of God's creation. Hello Ronnie. Salam. Hi, welcome. I'm in one of the prettiest spots you could wish to be. Isn't this just gorgeous? Where are I from? I'm from Australia. I'm visiting Israel and live in Australia. And if you're wondering why, yes, I'm visiting Israel for 2 months and I'm going to be hopefully scoping around the whole place while we're here. We're going all over the place. You're from Israel. Yes, Ronnie, I think you scope, don't you? Do you sing? Are you the Ronnie who sings? Yes, I've seen your scopes and so's my husband. My husband is FriendlyAus. No, we're not Jewish, we're Christians. We love Israel, we love this country. And this is our 4th visit here. So I'm going to be scoping while we're here, and we're hoping to scope Christian sites, Jewish sites, Arab sites, whatever we find, we'll scope. If we think it'll be of interest, we'll scope it. Yes, my husband is here too. Hold on, let me see if I can find him. Ronnie is on here, FriendlyAus. I'll get him to, he's walking behind me, I'll get him to come up and say hello. What's my country? I come from Australia. If you're wondering why I've got a British accent, I'm originally from Britain. So, Ronnie is on here. Do you want to say hi? She's on there. She just asked about you.
Hi, Ronnie. Good to see you from the other side.
Ronnie said hi back. Oh, looks like we're passing a rose garden here. Let's have just a look here. Isn't this glorious? Beautiful roses. My accent is British because I was born there and brought up there, but I moved to Australia 40 years ago, so I'm an old chook now. So I've lived in Australia twice as long as I ever lived in England. Oh no, Israel isn't killing children. If anything, it's the other way around. You need to read both sides of the news. But please, I'm going to say something. I'm not Jewish, I'm not Muslim, and I don't want to get political. So if anybody's political on the scopes, look, please don't. I'm going to block them. If you want to see sites within the Palestinian Authority that I'll be hopefully scoping later on in my tour, please, no politics, no bad language. Hi Beth, I just saw you come in and some other people, welcome. I'm in a beautiful park in Israel. Absolutely glorious. Look what's over my head, isn't this just beautiful? I'm just walking through archway after archway of flowers here. That's a fountain there which we saw going earlier on, but it's not going at the moment. I think they're fixing it and it keeps coming on and off. Yes, exquisite. C'est très bon. How old am I? My mother used to say I'm as old as my tongue and a little older than my teeth. I'm 62. Okay, so I'm an old chook. Isn't this just gorgeous? God's beauty in all its splendour. Yeah, just 62. That's right, 62 years young. What are the flowers overhead? I'm no good on flowers. Here, tell me, I'll take it again. It's the same as these. Anybody like to name them? I'm no good on flowers. I just enjoy them. That's right, the Bible does say that. Geranium, that's right. My mind went blank and I couldn't think of them. I think they are maybe a kind of geranium, yes. But look at those on there. Absolutely glorious. Visit in Saudi Arabia. Well, that would be good, wouldn't it? I'd love to visit all over the place, yes. Oh, here we can see the water again this side. Let me walk across here. Don't know whether you can hear the birds. Okay, they're in the geranium family. Pelargoniums. Ah, that one's a pelargonium, I think. I used to have some pelargoniums, so I know what they look like, but I'm not very good on flowers usually. Where is this? I'm not very far from Netanya in Israel. So yes, you can hear the birds. They're beautiful here. There's some beautiful big parrots too. We've been through an aviary here. If you watched the previous scope, I had some of the birds from the aviary on that scope. Absolutely glorious here. I couldn't resist sharing it with you all. This area where I am, it's on a kibbutz, I think. And I think they started growing orchids and then it kind of grew into an orchid park and an orchid garden. Getting lots of screenshots. Yeah, look, take as many as you like. Where's a nice view across there? That's pretty good, isn't it? Just so pretty. Where's your face? You're the first person to ask. We're not scoping our faces, we're scoping God's beauty here in the land of Israel. Okay? We're pretty private people, but we wanted to share this with you. So, the flowers are much, much prettier than me, believe me. And Mr. Peaceful, yeah, he's disappeared for the moment, but yes, he's the same. We just both prefer just to be showing you God's beauty. This is so gorgeous here, I don't know which way to turn first. Oh, let's have a look down here. There. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, that's a bit too bright there. Let me move back a little bit. That might take a better shot there. To complete the beauty. Yeah, and look, this is gorgeous here. I don't know where to look first for the beauty. He's well. Yes, he's well, and we are thoroughly enjoying our trip. Isn't this lovely? Every step of the way it's a different flower and different beauty and just glorious. And I absolutely adore the bougainvillea. The one thing I love about Israel, it's the bougainvillea we see here. Don't know whether you can see across, there's a whole wall of it. Does it show up on there? It's a little bit hard to see the screen here, but there's a massive bougainvillea in there. Yes, that's right, bougainvillea. I'm walking towards the sun, so I hope that it's showing okay there. When I turn the corner, it'll probably be a little easier to see the screen. Yes, so many different types. Isn't this just gorgeous? It's expensive for us too, which is why we've chosen to extend it as long as we possibly could. Yes, there's a huge cacti next to me. Look at that, right up above my head. It's nearly twice my height. We've chosen to extend it as long as we can, and we're self-catering to cut down the costs, and we're staying almost 2 months. So we're scoping all the way around Israel during the first month, and then in Jerusalem during the second month. And we'll go to the West Bank while we're in Jerusalem. Yes, so it's going to be special, and we're Christians, so we're visiting Christian sites, but we have a love for Jewish sites and for finding out about other religions too. So whatever we see that we think will be interesting for you, we'll try to scope. It looks like I'm in a cacti forest here. There's different kinds all next to each other. Look at these. Now I don't have to get too close to cacti, the prickly ones. Oh, did I see Solange come in? Hi Solange. We're still at the gardens in Netanya. We had a break and a very late lunch, and we're looking at the rest of it now. Well, look, we didn't get to do any travel overseas until we were adult, till our children were adult, until our parents passed away. So we barely got any holidays until then. So it's not as though we're wealthy and travel for years. We haven't. We're just blessed to be able to travel a little bit now that we're older. So don't get discouraged. Save if you want to come to Israel. Save and come. It is really worth it. Well, yeah, we picked up a car today. If you come to Israel and you're touring around by yourself, it's a good idea to start in Tel Aviv, where you don't need a car. Get used to being here for a day or two, and then pick up a car and drive all over the place and end up in Jerusalem, where you don't need a car. And that's what we've done. We've just picked up the car today, and we've left Tel Aviv, and we're starting to travel north, and we're traveling slowly. We'll be staying in Netanya tonight. Oh, hubby just getting over cancer treatment. I'm sorry about that, Beth. I wish him well. Hope he recovers soon. That's a big thing. Can't travel yet. Well, look, maybe one day. Maybe one day. But it's worth doing when you can. And that's one of the reasons we're doing what we can now, because I may not be able to travel for very much longer. So we're just doing what travelling we can at the moment. I don't know which way to turn. There's so many different places to see. I'll try down here. I think I'm going to get wet, but I'll try coming through here. Okay, no politics, please. No politics, please. I have zero tolerance for argument. Ah! Don't know whether you can see the fountains going. Isn't that pretty? I'll see if I can walk around the water further around here. Oh, hey, there's a pretty one. Look at here. Yes, And if it's going, there's an even prettier spot round here, so I'm going to head in the direction of the prettiest spot and hope that the fountain's still going. Oh, it stopped. If I missed your comments, please type them again, because it's very, very bright here. It's very hard to see the screen, and I actually can't read who's coming in because the screen is so dark because of the sun. I can see comments, but it's hard to see the coloured posts where people are coming in. Yes, please invite people if you want to invite people. Trying to go a little bit quicker here because I can see something ahead I want to show you. Okay, there's some screenshots, folks.
Bye bye, saka נסגרו, יאללה. נראה פה כולם ציני.
Isn't that just beautiful? I'll try and hold it still. Hello, welcome. Nice to see you. I can see my son coming in there. Hello, welcome family. Isn't this beautiful? Yes, I can see that too. I'm glad you can see that. I wasn't sure it would come out on the scope.
Hey!
Gorgeous.
Don't stop, don't close.
I'm showing it to the world. There are a lot of people watching here. Isn't it pretty? I wonder if it'll show if I turn sideways. I'll try turning. Isn't that magnificent? Absolutely gorgeous. You know, I might move back out of these people's way so they can take their photograph. I'll move around a little bit. There's people right next to me. Oh, they've gone. Okay. They had to. It's been absolutely magnificent. This is in these... Oh, that made me jump. I don't know what happened there, but something exploded right in front of us. Yeah, sorry if I jumped, but it was a loud noise. Looks like smoke came out of one of those funnels. Beautiful. I might walk around and see if I can sit up. Oh, he's turned the water off. He's turned the water off, and some people next to me are a little cross about it. I think they're fixing the pump or doing something, and just wondering if I can get through here. Ah. Not sure I can get through. Oh, but I might get another view. I'll keep walking. from Netanya. I think about 20 minutes or so. It's not very far. So let's look up on Google. It's Utopia Orchid Park that I'm at. It's on little kibbutz or moshav, or I'm not sure which it is, but not very far from Netanya. We'll be staying in Netanya tonight. Definitely worth a visit. Oh, Solange's back. Are you getting cut off? Is it? Am I in a bad spot? Is everybody else staying connected okay? You lost me. I wonder if it's me. I can't see what my signal's like here. I'm not... Tell me if it's me or whether you think it's you. Horns there. Yes, for sacrifice. Goats and sheep used for sacrifice too. Oh, here's another guy with a... Oh, can you see him? It's so dark on my screen because the day's so bright it's hard to see. No sacrifice today because the temple isn't built. And he's up in his little house there, isn't he? There we are, we can see him. He's in the shade now. Perhaps he'll look this way. Goats will eat anything and everything. Yeah, that's right, isn't it? Oh, look, there's a tiny one down here. Let's catch him. Can you see? Hello? You're coming down here to say hello to me. Oh, where are we? Yep, there we are. We'll fill the screen with your face. Isn't God, didn't God, oh hang on, I missed that, sorry. It's hard, very hard to see the screen. Just hang on before you write it again. Let me get somewhere where I can, my camera strap is just about choking my neck, so hang on. Yeah, the second temple was destroyed. It was destroyed in 70 AD and there hasn't been a temple since then. Oh, come on guys, no politics please, or you'll get locked and you won't see the scopes when I do go into the area under the Palestinian Authority. So come on, be friendly. No hate messages. And if you come over here, you'll see that things aren't the way that they're portrayed in the media. Now, I'm not Jewish, I'm not Arab, I'm not taking any sides, but things are not the way they are being portrayed to you in the media. So come and visit. And then make up a mind about things. Let's just check that my husband is following me. He's somewhere around. Love the barns. It's beautiful just everywhere here. Yes, that's just the area. I think it's a little children's children's area where they can look at all the different animals. Look at this, isn't that gorgeous? I might just go in the direction of that music because it might be the fountain playing again. I'm at the other side of it now. Gorgeous, isn't it? Beautiful. I'm getting wet in the fountain here. I'm going to keep moving because the best bit's to come if I can get there in time up ahead of me. It did that to me the other side too, didn't it? It must be deliberate in time with the music. Yes, that's right, it did it again. And if I dropped my phone, I don't know where it would have landed. Hopefully not in the water. Hold on. I don't know. Hold on, I'm just going to have to sit down a minute. The water stopped and the music stopped now, so I'll just sit here. Sorry that you're looking through the... So I can work it so that we're between it. There we are, I can sit down and stuff on this here. Doesn't ever fall anywhere. I think what it is they're doing it in time to the music and they're creating a music show and the explosions are in time to the music. I think that's what it probably is. Isn't that gorgeous? Look, this must be the best place to end the scope, I think, because it's just such a beautiful scene here. So thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing this beautiful garden with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you'll come and join me on another scope soon. Okay? So bye-bye to those who are still here. Did you find my husband? Yes, he's sitting on the seat near me. Okay, we'll have a good afternoon and you have a good evening or morning or whatever it is in your part of the world. Just enjoy God's creation wherever you are. God bless. Signing off now. See you again. Bye-bye.